Right then, competition time. It's been a while since we did the last competition. That one was the V8 Touareg. This time we're giving away this very familiar Fabia Vrs. It's been on YouTube, it's been in magazines, it's been on TikTok. You've all probably seen it before. It's a fully built 1.9 PD130. It's got rods, pistons, our Garrett GTD 2872 turbo kit, front mount intercooler, hard pipe kit, solid mass flywheel conversion with SRE clutch and pressure plate, full stainless exhaust system, nitrous, meth. It has got pretty much everything that we do for the 1.9 engines are fitted to this car. It's got upgraded brakes, ZF wheels, AO52 tyres. It is the ultimate street PD. So we'll try and keep this video quite short. The full spec list of this car will be in the description, along with a link where you can enter for the competition. We've had a lot of successful winners over the years. We've gave away Citigo, Ibiza, the Touareg. There's probably more that I've missed, but yeah, this one is a really quick car. It's currently 332 horsepower and 450 foot-pound of torque with the nitrous. That is turned down a little bit. We made it a little bit safer to give it away. And then without nitrous, I think it's 307 and 400 foot-pounds. So it is an absolute beast. We'll put a few shots in of it on the road. It is quite smoky, but a lot of you PD lovers kind of like that stuff. So yeah, click the link in the description and get entering. Good luck.